Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a very casual video. I still have the hair clips in my hair because I'm trying to squish the top part of my hair. However, I am also wearing this kind of like lace gown kind of situation because I got this like in the summer and I thought it would look really cute, but I'm not 100% convinced about it. So I was kind of trying to wear it to see how I feel about it. So this is what I decided to wear today. So like right before I went away on my trip, I was organizing my closet and I didn't have enough time to go through all of my hats and organize them. And I've collected a few hats in the past few months. You guys have seen all my hauls and stuff. Just kind of scattered all over my room, all over the place. And I really want to decorate for Christmas next week. So I can't really have all these hats all over the place. I also have a lot of hats that I haven't really been grabbing lately. Like I have a lot of like 1960s hats that I used to wear all the time, but I haven't really worn them in the past year. And I really love them, so I don't want to get rid of them, but I'm going to put them in places where they're a little bit like less in reach. That way I can have some more of like my newer hats or more 1940s hats, like a little bit more accessible so that I can wear them more often. So basically I just want to like restructure like how I organize all of my hats and switch some things out from like spring summer to like my fall winter hats. Oh my god, that was a long intro. So I kind of have my hats stored in like a million different places. So I have like my hat I don't want to say cabinet, but like my hat cabinet, like over there. I have some of the top part of my closet and like some hat boxes up there. I have a trunk filled with hats, and then I have some hat boxes and another trunk underneath my bed. And I just have way too many hats. You guys know hats are my favorite accessory, so I do have a lot of them. Watching that intro back, I just realized how ugly this looks on the frame, so I'm just gonna move these. These are not ugly, these are actually really beautiful, but I'm just gonna move them because it doesn't look nice. Anyway, okay, so let's get started. I think I'm just gonna pull out all of my hat boxes that are inside my closet. I feel like that'll just make the most sense. And then we can kind of start organizing them and seeing what hats I have. Oh my god, and I also have to get that trunk out from the bottom of my closet. Okay, so I have a bunch of hat boxes up there and then just hats on like little stands over there. I think you guys can kind of see them in the frame, I think. So I'm gonna bring all of these down. I also have like random like children busts in here. Why? I don't know. This stand. This is like one of my favorite hats. Look at how many hat boxes I have, and this is not even all of them. I think those ones can stay up there because I feel like those are fine. I don't really have a better place to put those, so I think those are staying in there okay. This one, however, that has this kind of like feathery like rim on it, I need to get a proper hat stand for it so that I can put it here, but I just need a small little hat stand. I also have to take out this giant trunk, which is super annoying. I also have some more hats down here, if you can believe it. And that trunk is hats too. Oh, I pulled out the really big trunk. I have a bunch of hat boxes, and then I have the other trunk right here. I also have some hats on top of my bed, and yeah, a lot of stuff to go through. So before I went away on my trip, I actually thrifted this hat, and I think it is the most fabulous thing ever. This is definitely more of like an evening hat, so something you would wear out to like dinner or like a show or something like in the evening. And it's so pretty. It's like black velvet, and then it has these little like rhinestone things at the front, and then it has all of these black and green kind of feathers on this side, and it is just so pretty. Like, oh my god. Can we just, even with this dress, it just looks so nice. I mean, look at this hat. It is just everything like with this dress. It just looks really pretty. I mean, I'm not really going anywhere. I'm just hanging out at home, but it is just so cute. Okay, you guys can barely see me, but the first thing that I really wanted to organize is this trunk. So I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so you guys remember when I got this that it had that giant cowboy and like this writing on it, and I bought these photos, like a bunch of photos that look like this. So I think I'm gonna tape these up there to kind of cover that up a little bit. So I have, I think, 4 of these. I'm gonna put these up. So I have this one that has that girl with the red hat, and then I have another one that has another girl with like a flower. And then I have this one that's more of like a side portrait like this. And then I have another one that looks like this. So I think I'm just gonna like put them up here just to kind of try to cover up some of this stuff. Like obviously I'm not gonna be able to cover up all of them, but at least I can get like a big chunk of it. Oh my god, so I just filmed like this super long clip of me organizing this entire trunk with some of my 1960s hats, and I just realized that the audio was not recording, so I'm gonna be playing it for you guys, and I'm just gonna do a voiceover because I don't want to redo it and like fake that entire clip that I just filmed. That is so annoying. I can't believe I just did that. Okay, here we go. So this is the really large trunk that I have at the bottom part of my closet, and this is where I want to keep all of the hats that I love but I don't really grab very often just because it's in a harder place to grab. Like I have to move everything to grab them versus like the hat boxes that are underneath my bed. I also store some of my really big fascinators here because obviously I'm not grabbing these on like a random Tuesday. So here, I'm just trying to organize the hats that are inside some of these hat boxes. So for example, I have this 1960s hat that I really love. It's red and black, but I don't really wear it very often. So I'm going to see if I can fit it into this trunk. Oh my god, and then I also have this pink flowery looking hat that kind of reminded me of, you know, those like swim caps that have the flowers on them. So I thought that I could do a photo shoot with a hat like that to make it look like it's a swim cap, but I haven't really gotten around to it, so it's going to go in this trunk. Then I pulled out this floppy hat, and I've had this for a while and I just haven't really worn it because I'm trying to decide if I can pull off a floppy hat like this. I have seen photos of like the 1920s of girls wearing hats like this, and they're really, really floppy, and I don't know if I can pull it off. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? Should I keep it? Should I get rid of it? Can I pull it off? Let me know. Large fascinators are so hard to store. I literally struggled so hard getting these in here. Okay, so this box is basically full, and these ones go at the top of my closet, so it's a little bit more out of reach than some of the other ones. But I did want to take out this hat because I love this one. I think it's so pretty and I want to wear it more often. I mean, it's red and green, perfect for Christmas, and it looks so stunning on. I can't. Okay, but now I feel like I have a little bit more room in here so I can add one more hat, but all the ones that I have are like bulkier, so I think I'm going to go into my hat cabinet and see if there's any from there that I can switch out. If you're new to my channel, this is my hat cabinet. It's a vintage piece and it's like one of my favorite furniture pieces that I have. Anyway, so in here I have a bunch of hats, so I'm thinking that maybe I could switch some of these ones out. So this is the most accessible place that I have hats, this one and then the brown trunk underneath my bed. But I really want to have some in here that I can wear more often. So for example, this one is more of a spring summer piece, so there's no need for me to have it here out right now because we're going into like fall winter, or we are in fall winter. I do really love this piece, but I think I'm going to be wearing it more in like the spring summertime. So I'm going to try and switch this out. Maybe I can change this one. I feel like I haven't really worn this in a really long time. Also this one I haven't worn in a while either. Maybe this one is more of a summer piece as well with the flowers. This one I only wear on special occasions. So let's see what we can do. Obviously this one does not fit in here, and neither does this one because they are just way, oh actually that one fits here. Does that take up too much room? Oh, but it looks so stunning there. I mean, okay, I'm gonna leave them for now. Oh, okay, and then I have this amazing piece. Let me take the tissue paper out of it. Oh my gosh, this one is gorgeous. Do you see the little feathery bit at the top? I got this at the Toronto Vintage Clothing Show, the fall season, and it is just gorgeous. So maybe I can put this one here. Oh wait, will that get squished? Ah, no! The little feather bits get squished. Okay, I might have to put this somewhere else. What about this one? What if I put it up here? That works. Okay, we'll come back to that. So I think I'm going to try to fill all of the other hat boxes with the stuff that I took out from here, and then we'll kind of go from there. I swear it's not even that late and it's so dark outside. It's like 4 o'clock right now, and like you can already tell from the background like how dark it is outside. Like my windows are open right now and I have like one light going, but it's already getting so dark. It's like the worst part about November. Okay, I feel like this white one is very pretty, but it is a summer piece. So I might take this out for now. So this hat box is also one that's at the top part of my closet that I don't really grab very often, but it's a little bit easier to access than like that giant trunk. So I think in here I'm going to be putting some of the ones that I just took out of the hat cabinet. This one's actually really cute. I don't really wear it that often anymore. I used to wear it all the time. It's like a 1960s hat. Really, really cute. It's made out of like a crochet kind of like lace kind of material. It's really, really pretty, but I don't really wear it that often anymore, but I do want to have it like really accessible for the summer, so I'm going to be putting that in this box. Also this one that I really, really love. Okay, that fits there nicely. This one, okay, that one's fine. Okay, let's try to move on to like a bigger one maybe. So in here I have, this is the hat that I wore to the polo match. It's really nice. It's like a pale rose pink color with lace, and it actually does look really nice on. It's really unique and really interesting. I always get compliments whenever I wear it. So this one can go in here. And then I also have this hat. Also, this is a 1960s hat, and this one is navy and white. I thrifted this one, but it's actually in really amazing condition, and it actually does look really, really nice on with the right outfit. I really like it. I think it's really cute. Again, I don't really wear it that often, so I'm going to be putting that one in here. I can probably put this one in here. This one's a little half hat, and this one's like a cream color, and then it has black on the sides and then tons of little flowers. It's really, really nice. It just kind of sits at the top of your head like that. Really cute, but again, I don't really wear it that often, so I'm gonna be putting that one in here. This one I got recently. I haven't worn it yet. It's really nice, really amazing quality actually, but okay, I just have to find the right way to wear it, because I have seen photos of girls in like the 1940s wearing something like this, and on me, I feel like I look like Charlie Chaplin, and it just, I don't know, I'm trying to make myself be able to wear it. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, it's really, really cute, but then I feel like with the wrong outfit, it could look a little bit more Charlie Chaplin, so I am trying to see how I wear this, but I'm going to be putting it in here for now. Maybe I can fit this one. See, the feathers, this is the problem with this hat. The feathers are just so big, I don't want them to get squished. I might have to put this one, like, at the top of my closet on a hat stand. Is that it? Are those all the hats that I have? That's it. Okay. Cool. So the only one that I haven't really worked on is this brown trunk, which is probably the one that I open the most often, if I'm being honest. So let's see. Okay, I kind of wanted to put this one in here because I have the room for it and I can't fit it into that cabinet. But then that means I have to take something out of here. Maybe I can take this one out and put it in the cabinet. This is another little like evening hat. Really cool. It has a little tassel. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera there, but there's like a little tassel on it. It's really cool. But then do I want something that bright in that cabinet? Probably not. I feel like this one I won't wear that often either though. So it shouldn't be in an area where I will be grabbing constantly. This one could go in there. This one's really nice. It's like a little half hat. It's blue and then it has all this beading on it. It's really, really cute. Put it on. Looks really nice. I bought this hat, it's velvet, and it kind of looks like a little bonnet, and it reminded me of Gone with the Wind for some reason, so I got it, but it doesn't stay on my head. I have to find a way to like pin it down, but it is so cute. I haven't even worn it yet, so I really may have to make a point to wear it this season because it is so pretty. Honestly, the camera right now is just not even doing it justice, but it's so cute. I think that's pretty much it. I think I just have to close up all of the boxes again and then put everything back, and then I will see you guys in a second to wrap this up. actually, before I finish putting away all these boxes, I think I'm just gonna say bye now because the lighting has completely disappeared. It's not even 5 o'clock and it is just completely gone. So I think I'm just gonna finish off this video now. So thank you so much for hanging out with me while I organize and sort through all of my vintage hats. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe as well as turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on any new videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Before I go, let me know what you guys think of this dress. Are we into it? Are we not into it? I'm kind of liking it for more of like when I'm hanging out around the house kind of dress. It's super comfortable. I can kind of do whatever in it. So I think it's something that I could wear when I'm just kind of like lounging around the house. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below.